This is where life happens. On me, the floor. It's not easy to look this good with a job like mine. I'm the floor. That means people literally walk all over me. All day. All over the place. But I'm okay with it, because I'm made of Revwood from Mohawk, and as the name would imply, I'm kind of revolutionary. I combine the beauty of solid wood with the performance of laminate. That means I'm waterproof, I'm stain resistant, and I'm scratch resistant. All at an affordable price, without the compromise. All this bragging may sound like I have a big ego, but really I don't. I'm the floor after all. There's always something to come along and keep me humble. Hey there, Sparky. That's my good boy. Revwood by Mohawk. The beauty you love, the performance you need.